Why did I do this to myself? To fix my sleep schedule. Circadian rhythm. We're done. I'm so sleepy. I won't. I am reunited with. What are you saying? Who am I?
Down, threw out our cloaks and our daggers because it's morning now.
It's 5 o'clock, and let me tell you that the only time I am up at 5 a.m. is either because of a flight or because I am about to sleep at 5 a.m. I am aware of the fact that I am not a part of the better half of the society who wakes up early, and the fact that इतने शब्द मेरे मुंह से अभी निकल रहे हैं is just it goes to show my dedication to fix my sleep schedule. Because you know what, I'll tell you a thing about reading. The thing about I have started reading again, and उसकी वजह से I've been sleeping late. Okay, I've been sleeping late. I'm well aware about that. तो मैं सोती हूँ around, I sleep at 1 a.m, 2:30 a.m, 3. You get it? Yeah, बहुत late I am sleeping, and मेरे को पता है कि मैं अपनी body clock के बहुत ज़्यादा खिलाफ जा रही हूँ, and it's kind of pissing me off because you know what, I am doing everything right. Let me brush my teeth before I fall asleep on the bed. Whoa, perfect. Bhai, you don't understand the amount of times before sleeping I had to literally tell myself that Mihika, you have to get up, and I need to fix it because you know what, I've been doing everything else right. Like I've been eating clean. Sorry यार, मेरी ना ये neckline पूरी खराब है, but I will never for the life of me throw this t-shirt away. And ये मेरे को मेरी मम्मा से बचानी पड़ती है because उनकी अगर हाथ लग गई ना ये तो ये बचेगी नहीं. कि stress होता है भाई मेरे को. Anyways, so इसकी so I was saying कि I've been eating clean, I've been going to the gym, and I know how much sleep is important. And the थिंग इज, मैंने रील देख ली यार, मैंने एक रील देख ली है सर्केडियन रिदम के ऊपर एंड आपकी बॉडी क्लॉक के ऊपर. मैंने एक ज्ञान की बात सुन ली है कि व्हेन यू गो अगेंस्ट इट, यू नो व्हाट आर द डिसएडवांटेजेस, व्हिच इज वन ऑफ देम इज हाई कॉर्टिसोल. एंड आई वाज लाइक, यू नो व्हाट मीका, कर यार, मतलब people get up at 4 a.m. every day. Yes, they are far more superior than me because they have self-control. Like if you can wake up early in the morning, you can do anything. And मैं ये बोल रही हूँ because ये सच है, पर इसका मतलब ये बिल्कुल भी मत समझना कि मैं ये इसके अलावा करने वाली हूँ. नहीं, आई एम जस्ट डूइंग दिस ताकि मेरे को आज रात को 10:30 बजे नींद आना शुरू हो जाए. दैट इज़ माई ओनली गोल. मेरे को पता है रिकवरी और ये सब के लिए स्लीप कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है, एंड आई हैव नेवर स्ट्रगल्ड विद द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ माई स्लीप. नेवर. ओके, मैं किसी भी पॉइंट पे आप मुझे बोलो, मैं 8 घंटे 10 घंटे की नींद ले सकती हूँ, पर वो पॉइंट आजकल 2 AM के बाद आ रहा है. Now that that's clear, we are going to actively, so the time is 5:19 AM. We are going to actively try to keep ourselves awake, and for that I have to shower. So I just thought, you know, मैं दिखाती हूँ what products I use. Let me show you the products I use because हमारे पास literally बहुत time है, and this is unsponsored. This is the body wash that I use. It's from Synthol, and if you keep up on I do one good thing a day on my stories on Instagram. तो उस पे one of my good things was this body wash because it's like very nostalgic. इसकी एक बहुत ही unique fresh aqua scent होती है जो मेरे को नानी घर में मुझे याद है कि मेरे को नानी और मासी अर्नो जब नहलाते थे तो वो इसके सोप से और इसके पाउडर से they used to use that on me. I get excited to take a bath because I know I'm going to like smell this. 22-year-old adult by the way. Then for my shampoo I'm going to use this. I mean मैं यही use करती हूँ. ये आधी बोतल खाली हो गई है, आधी से ज़्यादा. I'm going to use this Tresemme shampoo. यार क्या हो रहा है? This Tresemme shampoo. This I actually got for a collab, but then I think वो जो बीच में एजेंसी होती है वो एजेंसी ही उड़ गई. वो अब that agency is no more. So वो collab भी चला गया पर product रह गया मेरे पास. So I have like almost finished this. So this is the shampoo I've been using, and then again this is the hair mask I use. इसको मैं 5 मिनट छोड़ती हूँ बाल में and it smells and the hair also gets so good. This is the Dove hair mask. Not sponsored. ये सत्य है कि मैंने इनके साथ कोलैब किया था पर इन्होंने मेरे को इस वीडियो के पैसे नहीं दिए. So these 3 products are my essentials. Literally nobody asked, but it's 5:25 right now. Let's see how much time I take to shower. $5.50, ladies and gentlemen. So I think we have spent a good 25 minutes. I feel, oh bhai saw. I'm using this mist. And now you can see my bed. It's messy and unmade. Also, the whimsy of the week. Yeah. सॉरी मेरे पास लिंक नहीं है, ये मैं कोरिया से लाई थी. फैंसी है, मिल गया यार, क्या करूं. You got that James Dean. बहुत नींद आ रही है और ये पूरे just look at the bed. ओए होए क्या, it looks, it's calling my name. It's calling my name पर मेरे को नहीं सुन. Yeah.
Waking up at 5 या ऐसे कुछ.
Yeah.
ये तो मुझे पता ही नहीं था.
मेरे को खुद नहीं पता था, मैंने लाइक सोने से पहले डिसाइड किया. Cheers. This is methi dana water, and yeah, this is not aesthetic. No, I don't have the energy to take out a mug. Nuts. (1 p.m. I am meeting Selena for a cheat day after a cheat meal after 6 days. So एक cheat meal तो बनती है and I used to do this पहले भी. I'm going to work out in the evening only, but let's see if this makes me happy. Taking the view. It's been a while. I won't, promise. ये कैमरा नहीं चल रहा होता ना. I'm going to make electrolytes. I filled up water bottles. This is the blueberry electrol. For a while I had been having the orange one because मेरा blueberry वाला खत्म हो गया था. So I ordered it yesterday. Nice. I have to do 3 things जो मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. फोन पे ही होने हैं वो. How on earth is it just 6:24 right now? Like ये क्या हो रहा है? अगर मेरे को इतनी नींद नहीं आ रही होती I would have been doing like crazy things. I'm watching this movie, Voicemails for Isabel on Netflix. I'm crying at what time is it? 7:43 a.m. in the morning. I'm watching a movie to stay awake. I don't know why I thought this was a rom-com. I thought light-hearted fun, but no. What have I done? And I'm literally just 10 minutes into the movie.
You make me feel everything. I know that you don't need a man, Jill, but I sure as hell need you.
That was good.
This might have been the best movie I've seen in 2026. Yeah. This is the best movie I've seen in 2026. And I know you guys think, yeah, I mean, I know मेरे को अच्छी लगती है movie, but this, like, Voicemails for Isabel, मैंने literally अभी खत्म करी है movie, and I've watched it on my phone, on my bed, and it has the rom-com part, but, like, it's so much more. It's so good, and it has a happy ending. Okay, so I thought that मैं एक वीडियो बनाती हूँ about this movie and I'm going to create the एकदम dark कर दूँगी रूम को ताकि वो एकदम cozy सी vibe. और तो जब मैं ये blind नीचे खींचने गई वो अड़ रहा था. इसकी वो जो strings होती हैं वो शायद tangle हो गई या ऊपर अटक गई whatever. मैंने सोचा मैं चेयर लगाती हूँ यहाँ पे, मैं चढ़ती हूँ इस पे और इसको हाथ से खींच के नीचे लाऊंगी. मेरा ब्लाइंड ही नीचे आ गया है, उतर गया है वो रॉड के साथ. मतलब मैंने पूरी स्क्रिप्ट भी लिख ली थी वीडियो की. वेजिटेबल जूस. यम्मी. Okay guys, has been fixed. I shot for 2 things and ये तब तक fix हुआ. तब तक मैंने थोड़ी सी editing करी and अब I'm getting ready to go meet Selena. Concealer. This blush. Okay. This lipstick. Even though ये पूरी dry हो गई है, but I really like what it does even dry होके. Then I'm going to do this eyeshadow. That's sundar. It's like such a pretty nudish pink, but let me do my magic. Literally the only thing I'm proud of in terms of my makeup. This is perfect. This is perfect. What are you saying? Who am I? Who am I? This is the outfit. Watch. ये watch मेरे को याद आई है कल कि ये मैंने ली तो थी बड़े जोश में as a a reminder to myself that health is wealth. So ये चीज़ तो लेनी चाहिए और फिर 1 महीना यूज़ करके I forgot about it. Also मेरे को नहीं लगता है कि ये ना मेरे steps अच्छे से track करता है. Does anybody else face this issue with their watch as well? And how do I fix it? लाइक वो इस पे मेरे को पहले तो देखना नहीं आता कि इस पे स्टेप्स का दिखाता है. नंबर 2 वो मेरे फ़ोन पे सिंक नहीं करता है पूरे, एंड आई नो दैट फॉर श्योर. Bag. I'm just gonna take this. मेरा सारा सामान ऑलरेडी इसमें है and this makes it cute. So सुगंध तो भूल ही गई. Explain to me why this tunnel is making me sleepy. It's the dim lighting. I am reunited with the love of my life. So good. We are at Pandara Road, Pilates. Heaven. So I am back, as you can see, after the cheat meal that we had. मैं सेलिना के घर गई for आधा घंटा, फिर मैं घर आई and I came back home and the reel I talked about जब ब्लाइंड गिर गया था वो मैंने शूट कर ली थी जाने से पहले और अब मैंने वो एडिट कर लिया है and it's ready. I'm going to post it. Then अब मैं रेडी हो गई हूँ for the gym and the sleep status is कि मेरे को अभी बिल्कुल भी नींद नहीं आ रही है because I don't know, अब नींद नहीं आ रही है because इतना कुछ कर लिया है and stuff. अब आएगी मेरे को एकदम बेहोशी वाली नींद once I get back from the gym. Also this is the outfit. Let's go. Also आज no car at home today, so I might take an auto. I actually prefer that, but the thing is मैंने आज अपने बाल धोए. I still love an auto. हो गया भैया?
जी यहाँ पे नेटवर्क नहीं चलता तो उठा देता है.
हाँ
मैं कब से भाई उठा के ढूंढ रहा
हाँ वही आपकी लोकेशन नहीं दिखा रहा था.
हूँ.
मैं जब लाइक कोर की एक्सरसाइज कर रही थी ना मैट पे लेट के, मेरे को ऑलमोस्ट झपकी आ गई थी वहाँ पे. हाँ भैया मुझे यहाँ से दाएं, हाँ दाएं ले लो इधर. It is 10:46 and I can confirm I am so sleepy. I'm sure you can tell by looking at my face. I'm not sure. You tell me. But you know what? There's one last thing that I'm gonna do. I was on Pinterest and I saw this picture of a girl reading on her Kindle with a face mask on, and I was immediately like, you know what? I can do this. And मैं इतनी जल्दी इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाती हूँ, मैं क्या इन्फ्लुएंस करूँगी लोगों को. इंसान का कर्तव्य है कोशिश करना, कामयाबी नाकामयाबी ये सब उसके हाथ में है. Guess the movie. It's very simple. Face mask I'll be using. Oh my god. Look at that. Kind of cool actually. Why does it smell like the vibe? What? Damn. Yeah. Yeah, damn. Ooh, damn right. Ooh, damn right. Let's go. A yes, a no. We're done. Clock it. Yeah. You know how there's this thing on Pinterest that God speaks to me through Pinterest? I take that very seriously. Let me like turn the lights off. Lesser the lights, better the vibes. That rhymed. Okay then, D&D. Guys, अब मैं अपनी book पढ़ूंगी. I'm gonna get to reading and then I'm gonna straight away get to sleeping. And sometimes I don't even know when that boundary gets crossed. तो ये lamp बेचारा on रह जाता है और फिर मेरे को सुबह डांट पड़ती है. Peace. I hope I can like maintain my sleeping schedule. I hope I don't cross the line again. Because if I do that, it just means another YouTube video. I'm kidding. इससे पहले कि मैं और बोलूँ, you know what? I think it's time for me to go, guys. I'm not even sure if you want like someone to be giving you flying kisses looking like this. Bye guys, love you, yaar.
Sure